There you go, our Chinese salt and pepper ribs. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, Chinese salt and pepper ribs. Nice, steady recipe, fantastic. You know, you don't need a takeaway, you make these at home. Ribs already cut into about this big, an inch and a half, 2 inch, something like that. Okay, you want a bowl, and we want to be going in there with some water. We want baking soda. Okay, in there, one of those. About a teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a mix. Ribs in there. Now they're going to sit in there for about 20 to 30 minutes. About 30 minutes we'll leave them in there, and then we're going to give them a rinse. Okay, there you go, that's been sat there 30 minutes. What we're to do now is rinse it off and drain it. Okay, there you go, we're draining away in there. It doesn't have to be drained dry. We just want to get most of that water off that rib, off those ribs. So what we need to be doing is mixing up a marinade. Okay, you can mix it all up here and chuck it in and stir them around, or you can chuck that in there. So we're going to put our ribs in there. So we want to be setting up a marinade on here. And it is a simple marinade, and it's going to marinate for about 20 minutes. Okay, a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of Shoesing wine, white pepper, salt, and some sugar. Give it all a mix. That's our marinade. Like I say, this is going to sit for about 20 minutes. There you go. Okay, we got a tiny little bit of veggies to do. We got a chili and we've got some garlic. The chili we are just going to slice like that, because that is for colour. Okay, we want a bit of colour on this. In there. Garlic, mash it and mince it. As big as small as you like. That's going to be fried off. So we've got a little bit of garlic going on there. Okay, we need to get a pan on, get some oil in, heat it up to about 160. Now before we do actually start heating up, we need to coat those in corn flour, corn starch. Now you can do it in a separate tub if they've released too much fluid, or you can just do it in there. So what you need to be doing is coating in corn flour, corn starch, and actually shaking off the excess before frying. So we're just going to give those a little mix up in there. I think we've got some really nice gnarly bits going to be on there, look. So we want to be bringing in a pan, chucking some oil and heat it up. Now this is a double fry on this oil. It go in here, we're going to cook them off. They're going to be slightly pale. They're going to rest about 5 minutes. They're going back in a hotter temperature to finish them off. Then they're coming out, and then we're going to quickly fry them in a wok with a salt and pepper seasoning. Proper Chinese ribs. Okay, when you've got it up to about 160 degrees, in there with your ribs. Nice little quick fry off on these, light colour, and then they're going to come out and we're going to double fry. So I'm just giving them a stir so they don't all stick together. Some will, obviously. So it's about a 4 to 5 minutes fry on this, that's all. And then these are going to be coming out, and they will be pale because they're going to go back in to be finished off. Okay, when you've had about 4 minutes, they can come out. Look at those. And we can go back in with the remainder. So in there with those ribs, a nice steady one on there. Let's make sure these are not stuck. Another 4 to 5 minutes, nice and steady, a nice little light tinge on there. They come out, we rest 5 minutes, and we're going to bomb them all back in. There you go. Okay, we can be getting those out of there. All these need to rest 5 minutes, like I keep saying. Keep repeating myself, you already know. And then we're going to whack up the temperature to about 190 and fry them all crisp. Bit of colour. Okay, heat up your oil. We want to refry these so they go crispy and golden. Okay, when you think you've got your oil hot enough, back in there with those ribs. Now we're frying 2 batches again. As you can see, we've got quite a lot of oil in that pan and we don't want it to go over. Nice bit of colour coming on there, look. Just a little bit longer. There you go, we've got a lovely golden on there, look. Out and refry the rest. Oh, listen to that crunch. You can hear that. Oh, smashing. Oh, listen to those. Okay, ribs out. Look at those. Absolutely sensational. Oh, there's some crunch there. They are looking a real bit special. We want a little bit of our spice mix to go on there. Now that is Chinese 5-spice powder, about half a teaspoon. And this is a salt and pepper mix, so that's about a teaspoon of white pepper. And we got about half salt. Now this is not a salt and pepper chili mix, it's just salt and pepper. That is it. And obviously we got the Chinese 5-spice because it's Chinese. There you go. Okay, let's finish this job. Little bit of oil in that pan. We're not going to go too hot on this. We're going to whack in some garlic in the ribs. Here we go. So we're in there with that garlic. Now do not burn the garlic. About 30 seconds, no more. In there, your ribs. Oh yeah. Nice little stir through. in there your salt and pepper mix. Nice little stir over. No heat. Flame off. Chilies in for colour. Let's serve it up. Oh, listen to that crispiness there. Oh, on we go. There you go, our Chinese salt and pepper ribs. Come on, salt and pepper ribs, or you can be as posh as you like or whatever. Ribs are for fingers. Come on here. On here. Oh, let's dump a few of these on here. Come on. Oh, here we go. Come on. Fabulous. Oh, come on. Here we go. Oh. That is ridiculously good. I absolutely love it. Tender soft meat, but you've got that crispy edge on because we've just fried it up. Very nice, balanced salt, pepper, Chinese 5-spice. Oh, just off the charts. Absolutely amazing. That is a fantastic, fantastic Chinese salt and pepper ribs. Easy to do. Come on, tell your friends how easy it is to make these salt and pepper ribs. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, catch you in the next video. Oh yeah. There ain't no stopping me now.